Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great today, and this is going to be an update video because I'm going to tell you a little how the contest is going. As you probably know, I am participating in a contest. The contest consists on making a video talking about the LingQ website, using the LingQ website in order to learn languages, and I made a video. I am participating in the contest, and so far I am in the first of the participants. I am the person who has more votes so far, so it's great. But I want to ask you to vote for me if you haven't already done it. It's very easy. You just have to go to the link here below, click, and it brings you to my video inside the channel, and then you just have to click like. Very easy. Just click here, click, and then click like. Not my video now, the video that the video in the contest. So it's the video that I am saying things about LingQ, so not this video. And yeah, another thing that I want to tell you is that I want to apologize because I would like to make more videos, but one of the reasons that I didn't do it, I haven't done it, is because I've been very busy. I've been very busy in the last 3, 4, 5 months. I am doing a master, and it takes a lot of time. Another good reason, yeah, you can say good reason, is that my internet connection is sometimes is slow. Well, it is usually slow, and it means that when I have to upload a video, it takes hours, 5, 6, 7 hours for each video. And yeah, sometimes the transmission stops all of a sudden, and then I have to upload it again, and it takes more time, and when it is uploading, then I have to well, I can use internet. Well, I can watch in webs, but I can watch videos on YouTube or downloading things because it is very slow. But I am planning to make more videos in Catalan, of course, because I think Catalan is very important. Very important. I haven't made too many videos in Catalan, but I want to make more. In Spanish, of course, talking about things related to languages and other things that I could consider interesting, and from time to time a video in English, from time to time. So these are my plans. What else? Yeah, well, just to remember again that please vote for me. It's very easy. It only takes 5 seconds, and you can help me to win an iPod Touch. And I want to, if I win, I want to use the iPod Touch mainly for learning languages, because I think it is an excellent tool to learn languages. You can watch YouTube videos in the target language. You can use LingQ, of course. LingQ is excellent to learn languages. And whereas you can listen content in the target language, so it's wonderful. And you can Skype with it. You can Skype with the native, so it's great. So please vote me, and more videos are coming soon. Bye for now.